Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Arlo app to create smart detection rules, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, open the App Store on your device. If you are using an iOS device, tap on the App Store icon. If you are using an Android device, tap on the Google Play Store icon. In the search bar, type Arlo and hit search. Locate the Arlo app in the search results. Confirm that the app is developed by Arlo Technologies Incorporated. Tap on the app icon to open the app page. If you are on iOS, tap the Get button. If you are on Android, tap the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. If you already have an Arlo account, sign in using your credentials. If you do not have an account, choose the option to create a new one. Follow the prompts to fill in your details and set up your account. Next, grant the app necessary permissions to access your device features. This may include location, camera, and microphone access. Now, connect your Arlo camera or device to the app by following the instructions on the screen. Once your device is connected, navigate to the Settings menu within the app. Find the section for Smart Detection or Rules. Here, you can create new. Select the type of smart detection you want to set up. Customize the parameters to tailor the detection settings to your needs. After configuring your rules, save the changes. You are now ready to monitor your space with customized smart detection rules. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.